So Cindy and I go to this Italian restaurant every week and we love it. It's here in the South Bay. And one week they have this special and it's some Parmesan pasta deal or whatever. I don't really know what it is, but I order it. And so all of a sudden they roll out this huge, like a full cheese wheel. It must have been
on a cart.
On a cart. And so it must have been probably at least 50 pounds, at least. And then they carve a hole in it and then they put this hot pasta in it and then they toss it and then they just put it right on your plate. And it was fabulous.
So now she has the bright idea that we need to serve that.
And we do.
At a party.
Yes.
So she's like, let's just go get a cheese wheel. Well, here's the thing. Newsflash, cheese wheels aren't just sold anywhere. Like, they're kind of a big deal. So we've been on the phone all morning trying to find a gosh darn cheese wheel.
And guess who found one? Mm-hmm.
I mean, we even called, where did we call?
We called all of our Italian friends.
And those are like $1,500. I'm like, for a cheese? No, we're good.
Who knew?
We're good. There's a little Italian restaurant just around the corner. We asked them for a cheese wheel. They're like,
he laughed at us.
Yeah, he thought, like, why? Like,
what do you need the wheel for?
She called a friend of ours that has a restaurant.
You gotta have a hookup for these wheels.
And gave us a day pass to Restaurant Depot.
So yes, you're welcome. I found the cheese wheel and we're gonna go get it.
Here we go.
So it's Mediterranean Mexican combo.
Oh, really?
What this is. Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at these tacos.
What? They're Mediterranean tacos.
Let's take a long close look when no one else can see. In a dream.
Okay, so we are at Restaurant Depot and we are going inside looking for a full Parmesan cheese wheel.
I mean, we've exhausted this whole deal.
Called everywhere.
Like this woman and her cheese wheel. So
it's happening.
Here we go. Come see what Restaurant Depot is all about. Not like Home Depot. Restaurant Depot. Got our day pass. Got our pass. Here we go. Restaurant Depot.
So this is where they have all the restaurant utensils and stuff like that.
All the gear a restaurant would need, and we are lucky. We have a little day pass to shop for a cheese wheel and anything extra we would want, but things are just, they're not as expensive here because they use them for restaurants. But you have to be careful because you'll leave and you'll get like restaurant cases of like ketchup and stuff. It's crazy.
For our what do you call it? A pizza oven.
Nice.
That we're going to install.
Anything you could want for your restaurant, you get it here. But sometimes you can get a good deal here too, so you buy it for your house. Who doesn't need like lots of Nutella?
Or chocolate sprinkles. Yes.
Or Hershey, like the big bag.
Ooh, Oreos.
Or tried cranberries. Oreos. Look at these. Oh my God, this is Nutella. Yeah, boy. That's Nutella.
Cool. That would be good for a party.
No kidding.
It's only a half of a wheel. That's not what we need.
It's half a wheel. We need a wheel, not
we're
half
going
a
back.
wheel. Whole wheel. Let's go back.
They told me they had one.
Yeah, boy, a whole wheel.
Okay.
Ooh, it's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, a long receipt for one cheese wheel. All right, wheel. We're so happy. We spent $120 for cheese. Yay!
You're welcome.
No, I mean, this is a gift that keeps on giving, and we're going to show you how when we get back to the house.
And then we'll pass the wheel.
Hey. Okay, we made it home. We have the cheese wheel.
But first we celebrate.
That's right.
We found the wheel.
We found the wheel. Yes. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing video. Who doesn't like an unboxing video?
You've never seen this before.
We should title this Unboxing Cheese.
Let's go.
Bring it over. Okay, so we partially already unboxed it at Restaurant Depot.
To make sure we knew the product that we were buying.
But this is what a boxed cheese wheel looks like.
Very sleek.
Cello. Oh my gosh, can you get that out of there?
Not really. I don't want to break a nail.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, so here's the problem. Here's the problem. Hold on. You don't want it. You gotta get a rag or something. Because there you go. Because it will get wax
all over
the place. So you gotta be careful.
So we're gonna go over that again. If you get a cheese wheel with wax, a wax
you gotta
rind,
put something under it.
Put something under it, or it will ruin your
all your stuff.
Now
so
what? Now what?
You get a knife, and I think we're just gonna cut off the top piece of the wax.
So we are going to have a party and invite a few guests so we can show them how we do this cheese wheel. Now, right now it's really cold, so I imagine we'll need it to defrost first. But we can cut the top off and then let it defrost for like a day or two, whatever.
I love it that you sound like you know what you're doing.
I know I do.
It's very good.
No.
Okay. So, first of all,
I like how we're starting with so.
is that bad?
I do too.
I was traveling to Japan one time, and
Danger.
They asked us, why do you Americans always say well all the time? And I was like,
That's a
well,
good question. Well, I don't know.
But
now
I'm
we also
guessing
say so.
it's because we just need a minute to process what the hell we're gonna say. Well,
This says cello, tuned to perfection. It's bold, nutty flavor with notes of crushed apple, aged 12 months. I mean, this is like wine.
we don't know if this is any good or not, but it's going to be fabulous. Cello! Cello!
Isn't that beautiful? I don't know what you do with this, but Misty said some people cook soup with it.
Not the wax part, this part.
Okay, about to say, that's not really much of a rind.
You take that home and cook some soup.
So we chose.
It's no. Look, it's right here. So like this outer layer right here is
the rind. So basically, if you want to impress your friends, buy a cheese wheel, cut a hole in it, get some hot pasta, stir it around the hot pasta so it melts, but make sure this is defrosted.
I still don't think that's gonna work. I still think you have to have some of those
Fire.
some fire. Not propane. What is it called? Butane.
What are those little things?
Butane.
No, but what's the actual thing called that you
I don't know, but I have one. I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on.
A fire starter.
A fire starter.
I want to put this here so everyone can see. And again, this was like just under $120.
What was it, like 26 pounds, I think, or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so you start carving out the middle a little bit.
We started the little bowl of cheese that we put our pasta in. Note, any pasta will do. It doesn't matter, whatever you got.
It's piping hot.
Regular, gluten-free,
Fat-free.
taste-free, because this will bring the taste, right? We're gonna wrap it up and we'll bring it back out for our dinner party. But we're gonna leave it out. We're not gonna put it in the fridge or
Because you don't want it cold
it needs to be room temperature.
for the party. Yeah.
All right, you guys ready for a party? Bye-bye, cello.
unbox.
got our cheese wheel.
We're gonna unbox for you guys. Okay, we're gonna unwrap it.
This is for our party.
Now it's covered in plastic, but then when you take that off,
You have wax.
there it is.
And so you need to take the wax
And
off.
when you take it off, we're gonna make a little hole and we're gonna put the pasta in there. Right?
And you eat LA style.
And you serve
Everybody
it.
gets a little taste.
And that's enough for at least 30 models.
You're welcome.